Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing what's in my work bag. So we're gonna see like what I normally bring to work and what kind of bag that I normally bring to work also. So yeah, let's start. So I got this bag from my friend as a present. It's actually like an IKEA brand backpack and it's really affordable. It's like about $15. Look like those like it kind of looked like one of those Kanken backpack because it got like the handle as well, and I decorated them with some pins. And just to let you know, I forgot like the artist that I bought it from because I bought it like years ago. But I got this one at Anime Nord and this Hoshi pin from a group order, so there's that. And also I have like this pom pom pudding plush in here, and also like some other keychains. So I got this like Hoshi raincoat keychain from like a group order. I don't really know from who, but like this 17 hologram strap, I got it from a local artist. I will link you to her Twitter below. And I got this like the ticket pouch from O2U Seoul, and I used that as my bus pass. And of course I put Hoshi in there and Stitch in there. And for the pouch I kept like my extra pair of earphones there because recently I forgot to bring my earphones, and that was like a really long like bus ride without music. And there's like a water bottle compartment, and I have this Totoro water bottle on it. It's really tiny, but it fits and it's not heavy. I don't know where it comes from because I got this as a gift actually. So yeah, let's start with the small compartments. So first of all, I of course have my phone. I decorate it with my Coops photo card. It's my favorite photo card, so yeah. And I have my hair clips in here. My friend told me it looks like fried chicken skin, so it's it is actually. One time like we had put this on the table and she was like, "Who left the fried chicken in there?" And I was like, "What?" But yeah, it does actually. And because we're still on pandemic, so I have my hand sanitizer. I'm running low, so I'm gonna buy more. I have like my sage inhaler. It's the stress release. Well, it's not well, it is an inhaler. It smells really good. It helps me to concentrate, especially I tend to be under a lot of stress at work, so I have that. I also have my Earpods. Recently, like I ordered a new case, but I haven't got it, so I just put my Hoshi sticker in there and some Daing Gudetama. But I've been dropping them a lot ever since I took the case off. I have some like cough drops. I always carry them no matter what. And this one is where I put my reusable mask. So it's really pretty. My friend actually made this. I will link you to her store below. So I have like this earring that I just bought yesterday when I was at Shoppers. It's really pretty and it was like only like $4, so I haven't took that out. And I have my wallet. Yeah. This is actually like a hands down, like hand me down from my family member, so yeah, there's no way I could afford a Louis Vuitton wallet. And on the inside, so I have my pocket towel. It's my Euronice one. I tend to spill a lot of things, like especially my coffee, so I need this, like to have this carry around now on. And because it's summer, So I have my handheld fan. I got this from like the 17 pop-up store last year. I got this used actually for really cheap, but like they lost the bunny like rubber earring on it, so I'm kinda sad. I also have my charger, my pocket charger. It's really old. I had this for like years. Still works fine, but these days I haven't been bringing my cable because I broke my main cable at home, so I had to use like my cable, the one that I carry around at home, until I get a replacement. And then I brought this envelope, like this box. It's full of like all of my trades and stuff that I need to send out. I put it inside like this kind of like compartment because I don't want anything to get damaged or like bend during like the way, because like most of the time I mail all of my trades on on the way or after work, because there's like a drop off area near my work. But yeah, like sometimes like when I forgot, it got like squished on my bag, and I don't want that to happen to anyone. So yeah, I have to like, it's a little bit extra heavy. I have my watch in there. It's like one of those like vintage like Casio watch. I got this on Amazon actually. I can't live without this because I keep forgetting to put them on at home, so I have to leave it on my bag, so like when I'm on the way to work, I could just like put it, like I know like it's always gonna be inside my bag. And last is my big pouch. I got this like from Wigo, like if you see my like a recent video for my buyy hauls. So I decorate them with some Sumiko Gurashi keychain and plush keychain. I got this one, I won this on a crane machine when I was in Japan. And this one, I believe I got this at Anime North like a few years back. It fits like a lot, like it's so big. So yeah, let's just open what we have here. So I have my sunscreen. It's the Biore one, the Japanese one, the one that everyone apparently have. I love it. It doesn't have any sun, so it's perfect. So I have like my spray, like my facial spray. It's the Mario Badescu. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm sorry. One, but like I put it into like a small bottle, so it fits like my pouch. I tend to forget like setting spray sometimes, so I need that. I have my puffer. I have my Hoshi lip balm. I also have my Hoshi mirror. I bought this from a fan site, I think, called like Selena 17 or something. I have a fruit roll up. I don't know how did that get there. I have my scrunchie. I have like I usually bring like more than one, but I'm wearing one right now. I have my Holika Holika Gudetama hand cream. I have my pen. It's like Little Green Man from Toy Story. I got these in Japan, and it's a Jetstream one. I love Jetstream because it makes my handwriting looks nice. I also carry dental floss, glasses cleaner. I have like this patch for like for your feet, because my work shoes tend to be uncomfortable sometimes. I have more lip balm. So this one is a lip fondue. I've been using them since my friend told me about them in 2016. This is like the second one that I bought. I really love it. And this one is a Nivea one, and it's like apple vanilla flavor. It smells so good. I originally bought the peach vanilla one when I was in Japan last year, and then I damaged it because it opened and like it smears all over places, and then my friend got me a replacement for the apple one. I also have like a new vanilla one that my friend also bought me. Also, I have like this Japanese brand DHC lip cream. It's like unscented. It's just like really really like moisturizing for your lips, so I really recommend that. I also have a 3CE like lip tattoo tin thing. I have my roll-on perfume from Clean. This is like my favorite perfume. I have Tylenol for sinus. You never know. A natural Tylenol. Extra like pin, like safety pin. More cough drop. And a lighter apparently. And the rest is just my feminine products that I rather not show everyone. So yeah, like I normally have like also like my work badge in there, but I'm not showing it in here just because I don't want people to know where I work. And I usually also like have put like my lunch in there. But yeah, that's about like what everything I currently have on my bag. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. See you on the next video, guys. Bye!